10th, 2022, the 72nd anniversary of my birth. Remember, you have only one birthday, all the rest are anniversaries. I hope you had a good year. This year there's some changes. I hired a trainer, and my body stats in September, I hired him mid-September. I was weighing 220 pounds and I had 26% body fat. I now weigh 235 pounds with 19.7% body fat. So my body weight has gone up and my body fat has dropped. Hard work and a clean diet. So we're at LA Fitness again. We're gonna go inside and have some fun. So let's get going. All right, first thing we're gonna do is some Turkish get-ups. Good for pretty much the whole body, including your balance. Go. That's how they're done. When you work out, you should always do something for push, pull, and squat. So this machine weighs about 200 pounds with the weights and the weight of the machine. So I'm just gonna push it a little bit. Gonna do some overhead presses here. Now, when you do these, my trainer taught me, make sure you dip your head forward. Because if you don't, you're gonna have a tendency to lean back. It's gonna put more emphasis on your chest than your shoulders. So, let's give it a shot. That's it, that's how it's done. Now there's a variety of squats that you can do. You can put a weight on your back, you can just do them with your own body weight, or you can do these straps here, these TRX straps. So I'm going to demonstrate a few of these. You can't go all the way down, just go part way and keep working your way down a little bit further every time. And that's it. All right, I'm here with my trainer, and when you want to get better, you get somebody who's a whole lot better than you. So, I want to get bigger. He's a whole lot bigger than me, 105 pounds more than me. So, I want everybody to see Chad. He's a great trainer. If you're in Phoenix, hire this man. 158 pounds.
658 pounds. Let's go. Good. Fight for it. Good. Good. Good job. Keep pushing.
Reps, piece of cake. All right, here we go. Nice big tire to flip. They don't have them this big over at LA Fitness, so let's see what we can do here.
They call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road.
Okay, here I am at Hole in the Rock, and I'm gonna climb up this little hill and get a different view of the city. So, let's go. A little bit more to go. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll do something, eat a better diet, get some exercise, and I will see you next year on number 73.